I'm in my Ballamy Ford. I've just done a big engine rebuild and running it in, doing it ever increasing circles around home, going back, checking things, checking for leaks and whatnot, but it's going fine. And we're on the lanes of Surrey, and everybody knows the lanes of Surrey are the best place in the world to shake down an old car because they're full of potholes. So anything that's going to fall off is going to fall off right here. That's why, look at that, unbelievable. So this is Surrey, where you have to drive in the middle of the road to avoid the enormous troughs. This is the place all the oligarchs live. They have lots of money, but it doesn't get spent on the potholes, so it's very good for us shaking down old cars. Bah! Running in. Anyway, the engine was getting a bit tired. The end of last season, a bit smoky, a little down on compression on 2 cylinders, and pretty miserable on a leak down test. So it seemed like a good idea to strip it down. Actually, it was in good nick because we have a full flow filter and I use good oil and change it a lot. But it's had new main bearings, new rings, reground all the valves, some new valve guides, and obviously valve guide seals. It's a side valve V8, so it's a bit quirky, but it seems to have sorted itself out. We've done about 20-30 miles and it's going okay. I have to go very gently for now. So far nothing's fallen off the car. I've probably lost a couple of teeth and my spleen is permanently damaged, but the good councillors of Surrey spend their money on social media or something, not our roads, so there we are. It's very, very smooth for an old V8. Best money I've ever spent on it, having it balanced by Steve up at Vibration Free near Bicester, and it just makes the thing so modern in its smoothness. Everything else is pre-war and rattly, but the engine just revs without shaking its guts out. It's a real pleasure.